Use these 7 YouTube tips for beginners to grow your channel fast. Don't forget to optimize your videos for search engines. If you want viewers to find your videos on YouTube, you need to do a bit more than just upload your videos. I know so many YouTubers who shoot really great videos, but they don't optimize their videos to rank on YouTube. Filming and editing may be 90% of the work, but the final 10% that's going to allow people to find you. There are specific things you need to before and after you create a video, and I covered it in detail in a previous video. Watch this video on getting your video on the first page of YouTube. Be consistent about posting videos. The best YouTube video tips for beginners I can give is to get your videos published. If you want to get into video, you need to have a goal. That may be publishing 1 video a month, publishing 2 videos a week. Set a goal that you know you are able to accomplish and do your best to stick to it. You may not always feel 100% satisfied with the result, but it's important you get your video uploaded. Making good videos take practice and you'll only get better if you keep at it. If you tell yourself, this video is not good enough, it still needs more editing, then you will never publish any video. Update the YouTube channel details. Add an eye-catching channel banner and make sure to update the About section of your channel by giving details about what your channel is about. You can also add any links and blogs or social media as well. Promote your videos to target audiences. These are YouTube tips for more views. Where do you find communities that will be interested in watching your videos? It could be a Facebook group, Reddit, Quora. In addition, you can also submit your videos to various sites to get more views. Watch the related videos I created previously. There are specific strategies you need to follow with each platform to get more subscribers to your channel. Always analyze video results. How do you know what to improve about your videos in the future? The views count and the number of subscribers you get are not only metrics you should consider when deciding how good a video did. You get valuable insight when you look at your YouTube analytics. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, you need to look at what videos are performing well. How long do videos watch your viewers? Which thumbnail gets the most clicks and so on. Again, I have created a previous video on this. Watch that video so you know what to focus on. Leave head-turning comments on related YouTube channels. Don't just spam around by leaving comments with "check out my channel." This method won't get you great results. Instead, leave genuine comments without trying to advertise your channel. Collaborate with related channels. Collaborations are one of the most powerful YouTube tips for success. You find other creators relevant to your niche, come up with a video collaboration, and gain access to other creators' YouTube subscribers. It's an easy approach to gain more subscribers that all successful YouTubers are using. Becoming a successful YouTuber means following some basic guidelines and being open to try out different YouTube tips for success.